In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about Bitcoin mining. Make sure you watch till end. What is Bitcoin? A Bitcoin is a digital currency defined by the digitally signed record of its transactions, starting with its creation. Miners use software that accesses their processing capacity to solve transaction-related algorithms. The blockchain prevents attempts to spend a Bitcoin more than once, otherwise the digital currency could be counterfeited. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the processing of transactions in the digital currency system. The records of current Bitcoin transactions, known as blocks, are added to the record of past transactions, called the blockchain. Bitcoin mining has become increasingly difficult for new miners to start up. The difficulty of Bitcoin mining is designed to prevent inflation, making it hard for new users to start. Mining pools can be used by large organizations or small individuals with high-end gaming systems and servers. Is Bitcoin mining profitable? Bitcoin mining isn't always profitable and goes through cycles. Some businesses that sell hardware and services to miners are more profitable than the miners. For first-timers, online calculators can help you figure out if mining is worth it for you. Bitcoin mining is still in focus though, so mining makes sense. Generally, for miners, the fun kicks in a few months later, when they are able to sell the coin they generated at a good price. How to start Bitcoin mining? Learn how to mine Bitcoins by continuing watching this video. The video explains the process step by step and gives you a guide on how to make your own Bitcoins. The first step is getting a Bitcoin mining rig. Bitcoin is a virtual currency based on an algorithm that can only be mined by computers. The most powerful machines manage to solve as many as 14 terahashes per second, which means it does 10-12 attempts to solve a block per second. And its development goes ahead constantly. How to choose a perfect mining rig? If you are thinking about starting mining, you should concentrate on the performance, hash rate, consumption of electric power, and price. Hash rate indicates how many attempts to solve a block can the machine make per second. The most efficient miner is the best one. Having all these knowledge will help you choose a perfect mining rig that suits you. Bitcoin mining requires a lot of electric power and a special place for a machine. The service miner housing provides a solution to this problem. You can place your machine into a professional data center and get rid of all these concerns. For beginners, we highly recommend an ASIC mining rig. Secured a suitable mining rig. The next thing to do is to get a Bitcoin wallet. Get a Bitcoin wallet to control your Bitcoins and manipulate them. There are multiple types of wallets, from simple online wallets to the most secure hardware and paper wallets. Each wallet has its own advantages and disadvantages, so be aware of them all before you start using them. As a beginner, which wallet is the best for you? The best option for starting miners is a software wallet. If you prefer a wallet which can manage multiple currencies, you can try Exodus. Bitcoin.com, you can download FE to your Bitcoins. After securing a Bitcoin wallet, the next step is for you to join a mining pool. As a beginner, we strongly recommend that you join the Slush Pool, which was created by Marek Palatinus. Slush Pool allows you to mine Bitcoins on your own and share the rewards with other miners at the same time. Now you have your hardware, a Bitcoin wallet, and chosen a mining pool, so it's time to get a mining program to run on your computer. There are many free programs used to mine Bitcoins. The best programs can run on almost all operational systems. NiceHash Miner mines multiple cryptocurrencies and automatically chooses an algorithm which is the most profitable in a particular moment. Some mining pools also have their own software that monitors miners' activities. Once you have secured a mining program, you can start mining Bitcoins by connecting your miner to a power outlet, linking it with computer, and installing mining software. If you want to mine profitably, keep track of the news from the crypto world on a day-to-day basis. The development of Bitcoin goes very fast, and it changes on a daily basis. Thanks, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.